That's not true. The only thing we have to find out now is it a $500 price tag?
Eat your fry.
I wasn't gonna let Renee have it, you know. He thinks he's gonna buy everything and own everything.
Console deflower. Set this over here.
You know, right now we got the blower and the battery charger and $100 right there. Okay, here we got a bunch of.
Is that like chess pieces or just little clocks?
These are bad. These are a whole bunch of little miniature clocks. I'm gonna tell you right now, just probably a couple $100 in clocks. Here's a whole box of tools. That's a $40 bill all day long. Looks like we're gonna have a nice little stereo system here, bro. Easy $150. This is an aluminum frame, I think. A couple $100.
Yeah, you seen like the GT road touring bike in here? Easily $300-400. Take it.
Let's keep digging.
Well,
This
that's
is
a
all
fry.
really nice high-end bed and everything right here. That brings $50, no problem.
Picture frames, placemats.
Another $30 bill all day long, Brando. Holy mackerel.
You got your fry.
I'm Andrew May. My wife is in love with TV. Do you have someone in your life you want to get even with?
My boyfriend has a serious phone obsession.
They'll never see it coming. Do you trust me?
Do not set my TV off.
Check this out.
What are you gonna do to my phone? No way.
Can I get a cleanup and produce?
Don't trust Andrew May. New series, Monday, January 13th at 10 on A&E.
I got dressed by the dog, wrote about it in my blog. Didn't get a ticket on my commute. Hit the gym, scored a towel, down a pin, saw an owl. Did impressions of the client with the client.
You got your fry.
Paper shredded, needle threaded, poodle patted, fish fatted, and I even wrote this song.
No, you didn't.
You got your fry.
Breakfast biscuits are made with delicious ingredients and carefully baked to release steady energy all morning long. Belvita.
Voting win. Where'd you get that? Where'd you get that? Wow, where'd you get that?
Office Depot. Office Depot. Office Depot. Get amazing technology that helps you wow the world. All at one Office Depot.
What about your fry?
20% back in
Got a fry in your hand. Gonna eat your fry.
What's America's #1 CC cream? Olay Total Effects. It's a phenomenon with anti-aging plus tinted BB cream. C for instant color, C for correction. It fights 7 signs of aging flawlessly. Find the rave reviews at Olay.com.
Stamps.com is the best. I don't have to leave my desk and get up and go to the post office anymore.
With
You don't know what fry?
you can print real U.S. postage for all your letters and packages.
I have exactly the amount of postage I need the instant I need it. Can you print only stamps? No.
Star email, certified, international.
Email man picks it up.
I don't leave the shop anymore.
Get a 4-week trial plus $100 in extras, including postage and a digital scale. Go to stamps.com
What about your fry?
and never go to the post office again.
I do not care if a diet works for a movie star. I want to know
You
that
like
it works
fries?
for me. I can eat real
Got fry in your hand.
real food for real people. I do not have my own personal trainer check because I'm a real
You like
person.
fries?
I lost 9 pounds and 22 inches. SouthBeachDiet.com personalize the plan. I was surprised that I could eat my weight in bed. Now I get to eat all day long because I'm happy.
SouthBeachDiet.com.
For real people like me.
SouthBeachDiet.com. Real weight loss for real people. Go to South